You're scrolling YouTube Shorts. A stickman pops up. No face, no voiceover, just a skeleton telling a story, and it has 2 million views. You think, I could make that? You're right, and you don't need to pay a single dollar. Here's what you need to understand first. Skeleton shorts, stickman animations telling stories, explaining concepts, or breaking down ideas, they're not just a trend, they're a format, and the format works for one simple reason: retention. When a viewer sees a stickman moving, something happens in their brain. They don't scroll past, they watch. The simplicity hooks them. No distractions, just the animation and the story. And the best part? You don't need drawing skills. You don't need After Effects. You don't need a dime. 3 tools, that's it. First, you need a story. A skeleton animation without a good script is just a stickman waving at the camera. Nobody watches that. Here's what works. Open ChatGPT, the free version is fine, and use this prompt framework. Write a 40 to 60-second story in your niche designed for a skeleton animation short. Use simple visual language. Describe what the stickman does in each scene. Keep sentences short. The tone should be funny, serious, or educational. Let me give you a real example. Say your niche is tech tips. You ask ChatGPT to write a 50-second story about someone who ignored 2-factor authentication. ChatGPT gives you a script with a stickman who learns the hard way. That's your script. One rule before you start: the script drives everything. If the story isn't interesting, the animation won't save it. Spend time here. Get it right. Now you take that script and turn it into actual animation. The tool you're going to use is Google AI Studio, specifically their Flow feature. It's free, it runs in your browser, and it generates frame-by-frame animation from a prompt. Here's the workflow. Paste your ChatGPT script into Flow. But don't just dump it. Break it into visual scenes. Scene 1, stickman walks onto the screen. Scene 2, stickman looks at phone. Scene 3, stickman panics. You get the idea. The magic is in the prompting. You're not just asking for a stickman animation, you're asking for specific frames that match your script beat by beat. A simple stickman character with a white body and round head against a dark background. Scene, describe the action. Clean line art style, no color, no background details. Flow takes each scene prompt and generates the frames. Some will be perfect, some won't. You keep the good ones, redo the bad ones. Simple as that. Let me be real with you though. This step takes the most time. You're going to regenerate scenes. That's normal. Even the viral skeleton channels iterate. Third tool, the one that brings everything together. CapCut. Free, desktop or mobile, doesn't matter. Import your frames from Flow, drag them onto the timeline, order them scene by scene. Now you have a silent skeleton animation. It's okay, but it's not a video yet. You need audio. 2 options. Option 1, record your own voiceover. Your voice, your pacing. Most viral skeleton shorts use a calm, storytelling voice. Nothing flashy, just someone telling a story while the stickman acts it out. Option 2, CapCut's built-in text-to-speech. It's free, it's decent, and for skeleton shorts, it actually works because the robotic voice matches the simple animation style. Weird, but true. Add captions. Bold, center screen, the kind that pop one word at a time. You've seen them. They keep people locked in. And one more thing, sound effects. A small ding when the stickman has a realization. A swoosh when something changes. CapCut has these built in. Free. Use them sparingly. 2 or 3 per short is plenty. Here's the thing about skeleton shorts. Nobody tells you this part. The animation quality doesn't matter as much as the story. I've seen stickman videos with terrible drawing quality pull 500,000 views. Why? Because the story was gripping. The skeleton is not the product. The story is the product. The skeleton is just the delivery mechanism. So here's my question for you. Which of these 3 story types will you try first? A life lesson, a tech tip breakdown, or a historical story? Drop the number in the comments. 1 for life lesson, 2 for tech tip, 3 for history. Let me give you the realistic timeline. Your first skeleton short will probably get a few hundred views, maybe less. That's fine. You're learning. Your 5th one will be better. Your 10th one will start gaining traction. The creators killing it in this space, they've made dozens, maybe hundreds. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Post 1 short per day for 2 weeks. Same style, same voice, same format. By day 14, you'll know if this format works for your niche, and I'm betting it will. Real skills are built, not downloaded. These free AI tools, they're just the skeleton. You're the one putting meat on the bones. The real opportunity with AI isn't to replace yourself, it's to augment yourself. Thank you for watching. If this workflow gets you your first skeleton short, you get to be the judge. Come back and let me know how it performed. Small creators run on your support.